Amanda Knox is back in the news again, though depending on where you live, you'll likely see a different perspective.
Look at this face. Who do you see? A spirited girl who loves her family, who'd never been in trouble before? Or the mastermind behind a sex game gone wrong?
An Italian appeals court recently found her guilty again of the murder of her former British roommate, Meredith Kercher. Knox spent 4 years in prison before she was acquitted last May. From the moment this video surfaced of Knox kissing her then boyfriend, the European tabloids haven't exactly painted the Seattle native in a favorable light. They've called her everything from Foxy Knoxy to the Bambi-eyed killer. Shameless in Seattle read another recent headline.
The reason why they continue to perpetuate this idea is because they had this idea about me. They created this idea about me because it would legitimize their accusations against me.
When the Italian court issued its recent guilty verdict, NBC notes it was received with a hint of satisfaction by Italians. Contrast that with the recent coverage in the U.S., which has tended to focus on Knox being frightened at the prospect of being extradited to Italy. Others, like a writer at The Atlantic, have taken issue with Italy's carnivalesque justice system, a system Business Insider calls completely insane. But there are those who contend the U.S. press is going easy on Knox. Civil rights attorney Alan Dershowitz says he's never seen a more one-sided presentation.
You see the interviews that are being done with her on television. Nobody asks her a hard question. Nobody presses her lawyers.
Ultimately, some say the difference in coverage boils down to an issue of national pride. Americans see this as the latest example of a misguided Italian legal system, whereas those in Europe see Knox as another American getting away with wrongdoing. The UK's Sky News commentators say the real victim, Meredith Kercher, has been forgotten in all of this.
All the media attention has been on Knox and to a lesser degree Solecita, and one reflects there is a family here that is trying to achieve some kind of justice for the fact that the sister has died.
Also from Britain, The Guardian's Nick Richardson has a cautionary message to fellow journalists. If we do feel strongly one way or the other, we'd do well to ask ourselves if something besides evidence has a hand in our opinion. Knox has vowed to fight her murder conviction and says she won't go back to Italy willingly. For Newsy, I'm Elizabeth Hagedorn, multiple sources, a broader view.